In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in the Outlook web app. Whether you're looking to organize data or just want to enhance the appearance of your emails, learning this straightforward process will significantly improve how you communicate through email. Let's get started by heading to the Microsoft Outlook website. Visit the main page by entering the URL in your browser's address bar, or use your bookmarks if you have it saved. Once you're on the website, you'll need to look for the sign in option, which should be located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to the sign in page, where you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter them carefully to avoid any errors. If you've got two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to complete that step as well. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your inbox. Now, to start composing a new email, you'll want to click on the New Mail button. This button is usually found on the left side of the screen, and it opens up a new email draft where you can begin creating your message. With the email draft open, direct your attention to the toolbar along the top of the composing area. Here you will find various options to customize your email. Look for the insert option and click on it. This will provide you with a drop-down menu featuring different items you can embed into your email. From this menu, you want to select Table. Clicking on this will allow you to configure the table size. Here's a helpful tip. When you hover over the table option, you'll see a grid appear. This grid assists you in selecting the number of rows and columns you need. Simply drag your mouse over the grid until it's the size you desire, then click to insert it directly into your email. You've just added a table to your email. You can now click into each cell to enter your data. Feel free to adjust the table size or alignment as per your needs, making sure it fits seamlessly within the context of your message. By following these steps, you have successfully enhanced your emailing capabilities using the Outlook web app. This feature is particularly useful for business emails or whenever you need to present information in a structured format. Being able to utilize such tools effectively can help you convey your messages clearly and professionally. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, go ahead and explore more possibilities with Outlook's features. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.